Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can deploy a Node.js application on IIS server using a reverse proxy. So Node.js application will be running on the server on its local port, and how we can set up this reverse proxy concept in IIS server so that all the requests that are required for Node.js, they are redirected using a reverse proxy. So normally whenever we are going to deploy any Python application, again, as you know that Python based applications, they are also running on some port. Node.js application, they are also running on some ports. So whenever we need to implement SSL, so we need to make sure that this reverse proxy is properly implemented. So let us start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So we'll check the step-by-step process how to deploy Node.js application on IIS. So the first thing is, like on Windows, we have Microsoft Web Platform Installer. That is very important. So once you click on that, the two important things that is required for implementing your reverse proxy is, one is your URL rewrite and second is your ARR. So this is application request routing. So this is very simple. You just need to open this web platform installer. Once this web platform installer is open, you just need to first is your URL rewrite, this one, and second is your application request routing. So both of these needs to be installed in order to implement the reverse proxy. Only these two modules. So you have to go to the web platform installer. Once you are in the web platform installer, you just search this ARR. This is application request routing. Once you have found that, you just need to add, and you may need to make sure that, because you will be getting a number of application request routing. I mean, there will be different versions. Just make sure that you are using the latest version. And again, in the search box, you need to type URL rewrite. Once you have got that, so you need to install that URL rewrite also. Once these two things are installed, now the thing is like you need to set up an IIS manager. So you have to go to the URL rewrite rule, and there is an icon for that URL rewrite. This is the URL rewrite part, and once you go to that URL rewrite, then you need to go to the connection pane, and in URL rewrite you need to define the rule. What will be the rule? The rule will be reverse proxy rule, in which, like, whenever there is any request that is coming to the server, you need to redirect to the local port. So you can see this is the URL rewrite pane where you need to add the rule. So once you click on add rules, you will be getting this particular screen. You have to just click on reverse proxy. So this reverse proxy, so this reverse proxy is again coming from the two modules. You just need to remember the two modules that we have installed, URL rewrite and ARR. So once these two modules are installed, these icons, these modules will be already present once you open the IIS manager. Click on reverse proxy, and again you need to just add your rules. So the rule is like this is your inbound rule. So if it is working on 3000, if it is working on 4000, you just need to know the inbound rules. Once you click on the inbound rule, then your rule is set up, and then you can run your application in reverse proxy. So it's very simple. I mean, you just need to go to the web platform installer, and then you need to set up these two rules. Once these two rules are there, whatever application that is running on your local host, it will be redirected from your IIS server using a reverse proxy. So friends, it's very important. Same thing will be applicable for Python also. If you are going to run a Flask application, Django application, again these applications run on some different ports. So for these type of application, reverse proxy is very handy, and it is very easy to set up. We can set up on Nginx server also. We can set up on IIS server also. Setting up on Nginx is easier as compared to IIS, because again in IIS it is not by default we need to install these two modules. So So friends, this was all about IIS Server Reverse Proxy for deployment of Node.js application. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.